Good morning, everyone. Namaste. We are going to ask Archangel Michael to place the white light of protection around us with his blue seal. And today, guys, we are going to finish the first law, which is out of the 12 laws of the universe. It's law of divine oneness. Everything is connected. And this is part 3. If you haven't seen 1 and 2, go see 1 and 2. It says why the law of divine oneness is important. Everything is energy. So when you're having a low energy vibration, the same is sent out into the world and it brings down the overall vibration of the world. And as the law says, we are connected. So your vibrations affect the vibrations and vice versa. So when you are low, I simply cannot be as high. This is because your low and my high will balance each other out somewhere in the middle. A person at a low energy can take a lot away from the world. It automatically stops people from being at the highest energy vibration. It is important to consider that if enough people run the world with low energy, the world starts to be dragged down. The same applies for the higher energy. If you and I can vibe high through life, we will affect those with lower energy. Our high vibe will come down a bit, but their low vibes will come up. And our high, and the higher we can vibe, the higher we can bring the lower vibes. So the secret to a happy, healthy, wealthy, fruitful life, better than ever you even can desire about, is hidden in your vibrations. But not just in your vibrations, but the world's vibrations. Therefore, it is essential to keep the world at a high vibration. This is how we can make the world start doing amazing things. How to use the law of divine oneness. The law of divine oneness isn't something that you apply. Instead, it's more living with an awareness that we are all connected. Keep this law in your mind when you interact with others, knowing that they are connected to everyone and everything you interact with. How will you be different? How will you interact? And how can you raise the vibration while raising others? It says these are questions to ask yourself as you look deeper into the law of divine oneness. And their advice to you is, be mindful of your thoughts, your actions, and your behaviors, for they send waves throughout the universe. And since we are all connected, what goes around comes back around in some form. So I just always try and keep my vibe high. And if I'm around somebody with a negative or lower vibrational level, I don't try and get within 6 feet of them. But I also will instantly call back my energy and try and leave the situation. I'll call back my energy, ask Archangel Michael to help clear out any negative or lower vibration, and then I re-put my white light of protection around me, and then I usually try and ground. So that would be my advice to you guys too as well. So I hope this helps. I love you all. Have a blessed day, and namaste.